The next thing to keep in mind is never overpay. If this बिस्लरी है ये राइट, ये 5 रुपए का बिस्लरी है, इसको मैं कितना भी ब्रांडिंग कर दूं, कितना भी इसका मसाजिंग करके इसका बॉटल अगर मैंने प्रीमियम बॉटल में डाल दिया और उसका 500 रुपया लगा दिया, कुछ लोग खरीदेंगे, अंदर पानी सेम है, but you are overpaying 100 times more you are paying. So in markets or in an asset class, if you overpay, it doesn't help. So I've given 2 examples. 2000 में मैंने अपना करियर जब शुरू किया था ICICI में, तो मुझे बोला था टेक्नोलॉजी फंड लॉन्च करने के लिए। तो टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर का चार्ट है ये पूरे सेक्टर का इंडेक्स है। 2000 के बाद ये इतनी बड़ी तेजी हुई है पिछले 2 साल में टेक्नोलॉजी में, उसके बाद भी 23 साल का रिटर्न सिर्फ 10% है। Because in the year 2000, when the tech sector was hot and most of us came and launched it, the price to earning ratio of all these companies were 100. Today, all these companies have a PE of only 25 and 30. And if, like I said, Warren Buffett का most investments have happened at 15 PE, 15 on cash flow. 100 का PE पे fund launch हुआ था, भर के लोग लाइन लगा रहे थे पैसा लगाने के लिए। उसके बाद it crashed by 80%, and for next, if you see 7-8 years, the line just came back to capital. So what I'm trying to highlight is whenever something is very hot, you will be very tempted to invest, but हाथ जलेगा. Today PSUs are very hot. Be cautious before you take that decision. The second chart is for the infrastructure story, which was very popular in 2007 and 8. In some of my own presentations, these are mistakes I have made, so I'm just expressing them to you. In 2007-8, my presentations used to have the roads of Gujarat and Mumbai, which had a lot of potholes, and we said ये चाइना जैसे रोड्स बनेंगे। अभी तक वो रोड्स नहीं बने हैं, बट जिसने पैसा डाला, डू यू नो द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंडेक्स सिंस दैट डेट टिल टुडे, व्हाट इज द रिटर्न? 1.8%. It has not even beaten savings account return. The story was very hot that time, but the returns, because the valuations had run up. So great story, but valuations are low, you should invest. But great stories where valuations have run up a lot, the theme has become very hot. Semiconductors, for example, they've become very hot right now. So you have to be cautious and careful how to, do this. And how do you achieve that? So like I said, you need expert advice. You need good advisors to guide you. And again, by the way, I'm not saying this because I'm with, in Prakash Bhai's forum. He is a good advisor. Chintan mentioned about that. Even advisors are human beings. There are only 5% great cricketers. There are only 5% great doctors. There are only 5% great architects and lawyers. Likewise, there will be only 5% good advisors. अगर अच्छा मिला है तो उसको खोना मत, और हर एडवाइजर अच्छा नहीं होगा, ये भी ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है।